See how long it is, huh? Yeah. What does the top feel like? What does this part feel like?
Smooth.
It's smooth. But this part's bumpy, right? This part's bumpy. But this part's smooth and shiny, huh? Goes all the way down.
Yeah. But this part's also...
Madison, bring me a tape measure real quick.
Are you seeing how big it is?
Yeah, should we see how big his scar is?
Yeah.
How many inches do you think it'll be?
I don't know.
Get the sewing one, honey.
Huh?
Get the sewing one. You don't know how long it is? I think it was 12 inches when we measured it in the hospital.
Wait, where's the sewing one?
Just lay on your
But
belly.
down here it feels weird. Like it raises up out down
Yeah.
here. But not here. Down here it raises up. Harper, can you move for a minute?
It's trying to lay on his
Yeah,
belly.
down here you can feel the lump, but it kind of doesn't. It's smooth right here. Okay, Madison, you measure from tip to tip. Measure his new incision.
Like here all the way down to there.
10 inches.
From, nope, it goes further up here.
Oh, it's further up.
Okay, right here.
It's 11 then.
11, just a little over 11, huh?
What's my old one?
What's your old
I
one?
think it's...
Yeah.
I think it was 9 was the longest your old one
Oh,
was.
your scar feels weird.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's like...
Run your finger down from the top.
Yeah, feel it, Madison.
Really?
Harper did
Harper
it.
did it.
Harper did
Look.
it? Oh, what?
It's not gross.
Really?
Touch it.
Well, I know it's not gross. It's
Touch
just...
down here first. That feels like a normal scar.
Now touch up here.
It gets kind of lumpy. And it's really smooth. Huh.
Oh.
See, I still can't feel any of that happening.
You can't feel any of
No.
this.
But
But you can't feel down here either,
I
can
can't feel my thigh either.
you? Yeah.
Really?
Can't feel his left thigh.
Why?
Jiggly, jiggly, jiggly.
Hey.
Okay.
So it's just...
So this part, measure this part. That's what was open.
Dun, dun, dun.
Jenny used to be 5x3.
3.
It was, no, when? Yep, just over 3 inches.
There's a little white part right
No, that's how
there.
big the seroma was.
See, look.
Harper,
Huh?
do chicks dig scars? Say heck yeah!
I say they do.
Oh, you love your brother, huh? This hairy belly. Okay, say goodbye.